Hey everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies. What's going on? I hope everybody's doing good. I am. I hope you are doing well. I think I just heard UPS take off. Let's go ahead and go to the front door, see if that package I'm expecting has arrived. I think it might have been FedEx going to the neighbors. I don't know. Let's go check it out. Yep, it was for me. Let's go ahead and get this on the desk, open it up. This is actually for my computer desk. It's a little dirty, but I need it because I don't have a lot of room. I was using my laptop, so I had dual screen, but because I'm trying to get into flight sims and stuff for the trucking, for the driving. But yeah, this is my my son let me use his portable standing desk, and everything's attached. That turned out really good. It's heavy, it doesn't move anywhere, and that's for my flight sim. But as you can see, I had to remove so I can center it, the one screen, so I had to put my laptop to the side. And I'm always worried about this getting knocked, but I could use the extra space if I get this that way. So that's what's in here. Out of all of them, I chose this one because the reviews were really good. Looks like the package is about to open already, but they all said it was heavy, and that's what I wanted. It's a vertical laptop holder. And they said it had a heavy base. OMOTON, O-M-O-T-O-N, and this is the LD03 vertical laptop stand. Comes with a little Allen wrench. Yeah, it's definitely hefty. I need to get the little Postal. Ooh, that is nice. I think it comes in two colors. I will have an Amazon associate link down below. If you're interested in getting something like this. Wow. Okay, I haven't even used it yet, and I'm impressed. Look at the quality. It's got a nice silicone base there, so it doesn't move around. This seems like it's silicone. You can put your stylus pen there, or even your tablet or something, lean up against it. This is adjustable, I believe. So I believe if we loosen these, let's go ahead and do it now. This is hefty. There you go. See, it's adjustable. Oh, boy, this goes out pretty wide. The exact specs will be down below in the description. This is off of Amazon. There you go. Look at that. It's rubber coating here. So when you place your laptop in, you don't bang it up. Also on the sides and on the top. I like that, but it's adjustable. Cool. United States Postal Service scale. I've had it for like 10 plus years. It's never failed me. So let's go ahead and slide it together. Put it on there, see how much this weighs. 1 pound, 12.6 ounces. There you go. I'm going to secure one side. The side I can't get to, that's on the inside of the I think as long as it's center, we're good. Okay, that's not going anywhere. All right, now I just have to fiddle with the outside one. All right. And this gives it more ventilation too. I like that. Okay, secure it in place. Go ahead and close it down. Oh yeah, I haven't even tightened it. Okay, I can remove it, place it back in. I think we're good there. Go ahead and tighten it down. I like that it's a little tight, but I can fiddle with it more off camera. Well, there you have it. Yeah, I like that. I can bring it in closer to my standing desk. I might loosen it just a little bit so I can so it doesn't. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, I like that. So if this is something you're interested in, link will be down below. It will be an associate link. I like it. See, my laptop's moving, but this is not moving. What else can we put there? Old Samsung Tab E that I'm not using. It's old. But so if you got something like this or a cell phone, that's I think 8 inches long. That works just like that. If you didn't have it so far out or so close, if you didn't have it close in, you could put something on the other side. So that works. This is my secondary case for the phone I'm using right now to make this video. I have a LG V60, and this is the twin screen, the double screen model. But I don't use it as much. I thought I'd use this more, but I don't. After about a month, I kind of stopped using it. But anyways, yeah. There you go, that fits. Well, that's it, folks. My little setup. I need a bigger desk. I know that's what I need. You know, I got all this stuff here, all my equipment. I got another headphone holder up there. It's just, I got a small house, but you know what? It's mortgage free, so I can't complain. No, still no Wi-Fi. So I'm doing this all on cell service, and I have no clue if my Starlink internet will ever show up. Also, while we're at it, this is a UTech. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. Wireless charger, great for LG. 15 watt max, I believe, charging. Fast charging, works great. I'll have a link down below. Well, that's it, folks. If you like this video, please give it a like. Check out the rest of my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Small channels do matter. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.